just got my Black Rain Precision Pepper Mill. Came in the mail, and it is substantial. This is a nice box. Oh, thanks for your support. 10% off my next order. Bonus. And then we have our care, use, and instructions. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. Oh my, this is lovely. Okay, here it is. Ta-da! Ooh, it's got some weight to it. Very nice. Not flimsy at all. And they've provided me with some Black Rain pepper. How kind. And a charger. And apparently this thing holds its charge for about a year. So bonus. And it's got a little window here. So let's put some pepper in. I'm gonna hit this button and open it up. Easy. Put in a little pepper. My husband's really the pepper connoisseur in the family. Whoop, but I like pepper too. Okay, I'll put quite a bit in. And I can see in my little window there that it's full, so that's good. And then I'll put this back on. Let's see here. Right there. There, and then boop. And then I can decide what kind of coarseness I want for my pepper. Let's go big. All right, shall we? See how this works? Got my little plate here. Got my Black Rain pepper mill. And I just hit the button on top. Oh, wow. That comes out. I love the LED light too. Boop. Okay, I'm gonna change my coarseness here and go to a fine coarse. Here we go. Oh, wow. Very nice. I think I'll be using this 10% off and get one of these for a Christmas present for a loved one. Thank you, Black Rain. Nice job.